One ice rescue arrival. A large injured polar bear resting on floating Arctic sea ice while a Coast Guard rescue ship approaches in the background. Cold, cloudy sky, realistic fur detail, light blood stain on front leg. Dramatic documentary wildlife photography, 4K ultra-realistic, cinematic cold lighting. 2. Close-up emotional portrait. Close-up shot of the same polar bear lying on ice, tired eyes looking toward the horizon. Detailed fur texture, visible minor leg injury, soft Arctic wind blowing snow lightly, shallow depth of field, National Geographic style photography, ultra-realistic 4K. 3. Snowstorm scene. The same injured polar bear sitting on floating ice during a light Arctic snowstorm. Snowflakes landing on fur, distant rescue ship blurred in background, cold blue cinematic lighting, dramatic wildlife documentary realism. 4. Sunrise Arctic scene. The same polar bear resting on ice during a soft Arctic sunrise, golden sunlight reflecting on frozen water, gentle steam from cold breath visible, distant Coast Guard ship silhouette, ultra-realistic wildlife photography, emotional cinematic mood. 5. Night Arctic. Glow. The same polar bear lying under a dim Arctic night sky with soft moonlight reflecting on ice. Calm water surrounding the ice floe, distant ship lights glowing faintly. Dramatic blue cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed fur texture. 6. Ice drift scene. The same polar bear sitting alert on a slowly drifting ice floe. Ocean water gently moving around the ice. Coast Guard ship slightly closer in the background. Realistic Arctic atmosphere, documentary-style realism, high detail. 7. Rescue team, approaching the same polar bear resting on ice, while small rescue team silhouettes approach carefully from a boat in the distance. Cold gray sky, emotional wildlife storytelling scene, ultra-realistic 4K photography. 8. Wide Arctic landscape, shot wide cinematic view of the same injured polar bear on floating ice, surrounded by massive frozen Arctic landscape. Distant Coast Guard ship visible, dramatic clouds, epic National Geographic style wildlife photography. 9. Protective pose scene. The same polar bear sitting upright protectively on ice, alert expression, front leg slightly injured but calm. Frozen ocean surrounding, rescue ship anchored behind, realistic cold atmosphere, cinematic wildlife realism. Hopeful rescue moment. The same polar bear looking toward the approaching Coast Guard ship during golden hour, ice reflecting warm light, emotional documentary-style shot, ultra-realistic fur details, cinematic hopeful mood.